How to turn on or turn off keyboard auto replace on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. Next, scroll down and then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then in here, we scroll down and tap on auto replace. Next, tap on the language that you want to turn on or turn off, auto replace. So here I've got the English AU keyboard. I can tap on the toggle button to switch on or turn off, auto replace. And you can continue to do that for other languages as well. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now I said that for auto replace, as you type, you will see suggested words. Tap the spacebar, the enter key, or a punctuation mark to enter the highlighted word. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for my videos.